Hi everybody. In this video, I am going to discuss function in Python. What is function, why function, and the basic concept of function with an example. So first of all, we have to know what is function. Function is a set of instruction written in a block to do particular tasks. Why Python? Why function? Function is required to provide code reusability. Suppose I want to add two numbers, a equal to 10, b equal to 20, c equal to a plus b, and print the result of c. Again, suppose I want another two number, then a equal to 50, b equal to 60, c equal to a plus b, print c. In this way, suppose I want to add another two number, we have to write the code again and again. To remove these disadvantages, we use function. We have to write a specific code within the function, then we can call them again and again to the function, and we can show the result. So no need to write the instruction again. Just write the instruction within the function and call the function. Function will provide us the value of addition of two numbers. Let us consider the concept. A equal to 10, b equal to 20, c equal to a plus b, print c. Then again, suppose a equal to 20, b equal to 30, c equal to a plus b, print c. Then again, suppose a equal to 50, 40, b equal to 30, c equal to a plus b, print c. We have to write the same code again and again in normal programming concept. We can remove this disadvantage to write the code again and again. Use the concept of function. Consider the function def, suppose addition, name of the function is addition, a parameter is x, y. These are the two parameters, mean arguments. Now z equal to x plus y and return z. Now we need to call the function. Suppose name return c is the return value and the name of the function is addition, and the values are suppose 2, 3. 2 is transferred to x, 3 is transferred to y, 2, 3 added together, and the return value is transferred to c, and we will print the value c. Now again, suppose I want to call c d equal to addition 20, 30. Then it will call again x transferred to x, 30 is transferred to y, and 20 or 30 added together. It will show the return value to the d, and we can print the value d. Suppose I want to call again e equal to suppose addition 40, 30. Then x is transferred to 40 is transferred to x and 30 is transferred to y. X and y added together, and it will return the value of z to e, and we can print the value of e. So this is the function definition. This one is known as function definition. Once we create the function definition, we call the function definition again and again with the different values or different parameters to that function. So here 20 and 30 is transferred to x and y. Here 2 and 3 transferred to x and y, and 40 and 30 is transferred to x and y. So these are the function definition. This is function calling and returning. This is function calling, and the value is returned to c. This one is known as function calling. This one is known as function calling. This one is known as function calling, and value is transferred to the corresponding return value c, d, and e. So this is the concept of function. So this one is function definition. This consists of two parameters x and y. When we pass the parameter to the actual function, then the value is copied from actual to formal parameters. These are known as formal parameter. These are known as actual parameter. 2 is transferred to x, 3 is transferred to y, 2 and 3 are added together, and the return value is transferred to the calling function to print the result. So in this way function can operates. Thank you very much for watching this video. Share and subscribe it. Thank you.